Yeah, this is just sort of a demonstration of the Corogna tape and its removal. This is the Corogna, this is the wide example of their double-sided adhesive tape. It's like a double layer tape. This adhesive here has been on the rim for the past 12 to 13 months, holding on an FMB Tubular, which has reached the end of its service life. So we're just going to remove the tape, having taken off the tubular, which is just here. And as you can see, even though there's a lot of adhesive which is still stuck on the tape, this tubular is not going to be used again anyway. There's still some adhesive left on the tape, but the bond was very, very good, very, very strong. There was no movement. In fact, it was very difficult to take off. It wouldn't really be a roadside job to remove those tubulars. So what I've done here is I've just peeled the tubular off, started at the valve hole, and just rolling the tape back. And all you need to really do is just take the tape, peel the leading edge up, and then slowly, but applying a downward force at the same time, almost form like a snail shell coil of old tape. So all I'm doing is just rolling it back with a little bit of force, with a little bit of a breakage there. So attach that again and keep rolling. And as you'll see, it's just starting to peel off very easily. Try and keep the ball as small as possible, so that the bit that's coming off the rim is actually very close to the ball that you're rolling. If you keep it too long, there's too much tensile stress through the tape and you're inclined to keep ripping it all the time. So I'm just rolling, 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 and trying to force that tape that's just coming off the rim straight onto the ball. If you need to, pick the ball up and tuck it underneath again. And this is coming off fairly quickly now. Again, picking it up, pull the ball back underneath and keep rolling. Keep a bit of a downward pressure at the same time. And using the butt of the hand as a rolling tool can be quite useful. Again, just pick the ball up. You can see it's progressively getting bigger. So the circumference is getting larger and it actually becomes slightly easier. But compared to using some of the old Velox or Yantex tapes or even, standard gluing, this is a much easier solution. And what you have at the end is a rim which needs just a bit of soaking and cleaning with alcohol. But apart from that, it's almost ready to rebond on. In fact, if time was against you, you could bond this on very, very quickly. So what I'm left with now is a ball of the adhesive. So you've got a small amount of waste to throw away. You can give it to children if you want. You can throw it around the room as a toy. But left with a very, very clean rim overall. I'll just take that off so you can have a sort of better look underneath. And as you can see, the rim is very clean. No build up around the spoke holes. Even around where the valve stem goes through, it's very, very clean. So this is almost ready to bed again. So all I'm going to do is take some isopropyl alcohol, one layer, let it soak, probably a second layer, then give it a rub down with a green, slight abrasive pad, a very mild pad, and then prepare the normal bonding process of using the double adhesive Corogna tape again to bond the next tubular on.